Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Egypt 2, Zimbabwe 1, right? We are going to play both teams. Guma group stages. We are going to play both teams. We've played Zimbabwe not so long ago. We are going to play Egypt soon. Now, we all know that we are not good at defending crosses. I'm going to show you just 2 clips as the Egypt against Izim. Just 2. Watch the ball. When it gets to Mo Salah, watch what he does. Beautiful pass, bad defending. We have to be aware of the run behind Hula's pole. We have to be aware of that run. Otherwise, he's thinking North African teams but under more crosses. We have to be aware. Beautiful save there. Clip number 2. Watch that run behind. Watch that run behind. Our Umutau needs to watch that run. Umutau Nongezana, they need to be aware of Umo Salah playing the ball behind Ungezana.